This is 2025, almost 2026. And you and I are not just depending on Google's blue links and answers with blog posts to get the information that we need. We're looking for our answers on Google's AI mode, in ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and plenty other AI ways. And here's a challenge if you are a business owner. You might have spent years building up your website and your blog posts and optimizing them to rank high on Google, but you have not optimized for AI search and you don't know if you're showing up there. So in this video, I'll show you how you can track both your visibility on Google and in AI with Semrush's AI SEO Toolkit. That's AI Toolkit plus SEO Toolkit, and how you can get a 14-day free trial to test it out. Now, I've been using Semrush for years for myself and for my clients. Keyword research, site audit, position tracking, all of that. But it was a bit limited because they did not have AI search included. In fact, the AI toolkit was an extra that you needed to get for $99, and neither me nor my clients wanted it. But now they have introduced the Semrush One toolkit, which is the traditional SEO toolkit with the Pro plan plus the AI toolkit. And it is $40 lesser. So let's just take a quick look. Now, SEO Classic is $140 a month, and AI visibility is $100 per month. So that's about $240 a month. But now they have introduced Semrush One, which includes Pro and AI search, and that is $200 a month. It covers traditional search, AI search, and GEO, which basically means how you show up in LLM tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity. If you want to try this out, you can get a 14-day free trial, which is exclusively in this video. There's a link in the description. Because if you want to go to the Semrush website and try it out, it's only for 7 days. But here you get it for 14 days. How does it work? First of all, you click the link in the description and it will bring you to this page where it says try for 14 days. You see, it says exclusive Semrush and Reignite Growth offer, which is my website. 14 days Semrush One starter trial, and it is for 14 days. Now, if you click on it, it will ask you for your few details. Your name, password, and then you create an account. So you create an account here. Now, I will not do it now because I already have an account. But basically, if you create an account, you will receive a verification code in your email. So remember to give like a genuine good email address. Step 4, you'll have to give your credit card information. Whenever you get a free trial with Semrush, you have to enter your credit card information so they can bill you after 14 days are over. But of course, you can cancel your trial within that period and you will not get charged. Now, one important thing is when you are signing up, look for this. Okay, if promo code, it will show you Ignite Marketing. And here it will say today's charge is 0. That is important. And it will tell you the first charge as well, which is $199. Once you check all of this and you enter your credit card details, try it now and your plan will be activated. Now, what can you do with the Semrush AI and SEO tool? You can track your visibility across Google, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Google AI mode, and more. So once you have signed up and you enter your account, you can just go to AI over here. Visibility overview, you can just put your domain, like for example, adidas.com, check AI visibility. And then you will see your total AI visibility and then visibility across different platforms. If you go to your SEO toolkit and then you put adidas.com, then you will see your performance on Google. And here also it shows you together AI visibility, mentions, cited pages, and then across countries. This is similar to the previous toolkit, but here you can see AI search and SEO search together. Next, you can see, just like in a Google visibility, you will see where competitors show up in AI results and you don't. So for example, if you go to the AI toolkit, then you do competitor research and you can see where your own domain and your competitor domain. It's just prompting me. I'll just Puma. Okay. And then you run the competitor analysis and then you will see the details over here. What else can you do? You can monitor up to 500 keywords and 50 AI prompts daily. So you can go to prompt research and put a topic, for example, sports shoes. And here it shows you the topics, the prompts, what prompts people are asking. Where can I find official stores? Where can I find authentic sports shoes online? Where can I find the best deals? What are the best golf shoes? So you can analyze how you show up in the prompts as well. You can get all the traditional SEO tools, of course, the keyword research, site audit, backlink analysis. As I said, look at SEMrush 1 as SEMrush Pro plus SEMrush AI. So you can get the best of both worlds. And all of this, of course, help you find gaps in your visibility before your competitors show up there as well. All right, now that we know how you can get the 14-day trial and we know what you can do with the 14-day trial, because in these 14 days that you have the trial, you can try out all the features. It's complete access for you for 14 days. It's not like some features are not there. You get a preview of how your actual paid subscription will look like, hence the word trial. In these 14 days, you can use every feature that you want, okay? But question, who can and can't get this trial? This trial is only for new SEMrush users. So hear me out. If you have had any SEMrush trial or subscription before, Pro, Guru, or any other plan, you cannot get this trial with the same email address. This is why I said, because I already have an account with SEMrush, I cannot get the trial anymore. So if I had to do this trial, I would have to get a different email address. And if I don't have a different email address, I would have to create an email address first and then get the SEMrush trial. I got access to this because this video is sponsored by SEMrush. So they gave me an account to try it out. And I have been using it for my clients as well, but not for myself yet. But if I did have to use this plan, then I would have to create a different email address and get it with that. Because I am an affiliate of SEMrush and they have mentioned to me how people do this, that people get the trial and they cancel and they come back again and another trial and again cancel, another trial and again cancel. So then they keep using like the same email address. So that's why they want to prevent it. So if you are an existing SEMrush user with one email address, you cannot get this trial. You have to use a different email. Even if you have had a trial before of SEMrush but did not sign up, you don't have an account, you still cannot get a trial with the same email address. You will have to use a different one. Now, what do you do if you are already using SEMrush Pro and Guru and you want to get the AI toolkit, but you want to get it at the discounted price of SEMrush 1 and you want to save those $40 that we talked about before? To go back to it again, if you are using Pro, you're probably paying $140 a month. And if you have an annual subscription, you're paying this much per month. And if you want to get AI visibility on top, you will have to get $99 on top per month. So then the best thing to do in this case would be to change your plan to SEMrush 1. But what if you want to try it out? Create a new email address and get a trial of SEMrush 1 with this link for 14 days. Once you're done, if you like it, then you can always switch your plan or upgrade to a new one. So what happens after the trial? After 14 days, you'll be charged $199 a month. And this is a monthly price. If you get the annual one, it's $165 a month. If you don't want to continue, cancel before the trial ends. You can cancel anytime during the 14 days, no questions asked. And if you do get charged and want a refund, then SEMrush has still a 7-day refund policy. So make sure you contact them to cancel the trial on time or get the money back if it has already been charged. What the extended trial is worth and why should you get it? So now the SEMrush 1 starter costs $199 per month that we saw. For 14 days, that's $100 worth of access completely for free. Again, that's 2 times the standard 7-day trial that you can get from the SEMrush website. You have full access to both Google SEO tools and AI visibility tracking. You have more time to actually use it with the 14 days. You can bring your team in, get their inputs. And if you're launching a campaign or you have launched a campaign, then you can track the results. SEMrush updates their data very often, so you can get results from like 5 days, 10 days, 14 days, and see how your campaign is performing. And of course, you have no financial risk. You don't like it, just cancel the plan. That's it. To recap of which AI platforms SEMrush tracks: Google AI Overviews, AI Mode, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and it will include other major AI platforms as they grow. They don't cover Claude yet, but yeah, that's probably coming pretty soon. So just to conclude, AI search is growing fast. You need to show up on both Google and on AI tools. And in fact, more and more with AI tools, like Google is still dominant, but AI tools are catching up very fast. And if you want a tool that can help you track both Google and AI searchers, then SEMrush is a very good place to start. I mean, they have a tremendous reputation for Google search, and now they're doing their best with AI search as well. So use the link in the description, get your 14-day trial, see if the tool works for you, get your team in, and then decide. Thanks for watching. And if you want a 14-day trial of the Guru plan, which includes much more features than the SEMrush Pro, then check out the next video. Thanks for watching.